Hey everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to disable quick launch, double tap, power key or volume key in Note 14 Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down in last and here you can see the option additional settings. Now click on additional settings. After clicking on additional settings, scroll down and here you can see the option gesture shortcuts. Now click on it and then you can see the option launch camera. Now click on launch camera, and if you want to disable quick launch then simply turn off these buttons. After turning off these buttons, your quick launch will be disabled. So this is the way to disable quick launch, double tap, power key or volume key in Note 14 Pro. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.